India will formally take over the G20 presidency today. Several events will be held across the country, including the lighting of 100 monuments with the G20 logo to mark the occasion. Polling has begun for the first phase of assembly elections in Gujarat. Voting began at 8 this morning and it will end at 5 in the evening. Reserve Bank of India will launch retail central bank digital currency on pilot basis today, December 1st. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has invited students, parents and teachers to take part in interesting activities relating to Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023. The much-awaited 23rd edition of the Hornbill Festival of Nagaland will start today at Naga Heritage Village, Kisama. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will grace the inaugural program.